Hi guys, my name is Zandria, or you can call me Miss Z from the York County Library in South Carolina. Welcome back to another Miss Z's Imaginarium video. This summer, our summer learning challenge theme is Oceans of Possibilities. So on today's video, we are going to be learning water magic, which is just a fancy way of saying that we're going to be learning how to do experiments that involve water. Did you know that the sun is the reason the ocean is blue? According to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, the ocean is blue because of the way it absorbs sunlight. When sunlight hits the ocean, the water strongly absorbs long wavelength colors at the red end of the light spectrum, as well as short wavelength light, including violet and ultraviolet. Isn't that pretty cool? Oh yeah. So stay tuned to the end of the video for some fun book recommendations that involve the ocean and the sea. All right, my friends, let's get started. First, fill up a tall container halfway with water. Then add paper clips to a small glass container. Now add baking soda to the paperclip container. Then add white vinegar to a balloon. Put the open end of the balloon onto the glass container. Now drop it in the tall container and watch it work. And there you have it, the underwater balloon experiment. First, you will need to fill a mason jar up with water. Now add the top without the piece in the middle. Grab a small piece of cardboard, put it on top, and then flip the jar upside down. Then remove your hand from the cardboard and watch. Isn't that cool? Watch it one more time. As you can see, I have a small cup of water. It's not trick water. It's real, I promise you. All right, which one should we do? This one? Yeah, let's do this one. Watch closely. Do you remember which cup is it? Is it this one? What about this one? Okay, it has to be this one, right? No. Let's watch that again. Watch closely. So, where's the water? Maybe you should go to your local library and check out a STEAM or STEM book, and you may learn how to do this neat experiment. Stay tuned for some awesome 5-star book recommendations. Thank you guys for joining me today. We'll see you next time. Bye.